Police and community groups worked together to bring an 18-hour standoff with a suicidal woman to a peaceful end earlier this week. Reg Chapman has the details.
She was screaming and yelling that she wanted to kill herself. She was throwing the entire contents of her apartment out the window.
A call for a jumper at an apartment building on Oak Grove Avenue sent Incident Commander Lieutenant Kelly O'Rourke and his officers running into position to keep the woman inside and people in the area safe. He immediately called for negotiators and additional medical personnel.
But then the scene kept escalating, and at one point she had attempted to start a fire in her apartment.
Tuesday morning, it was still going on, and we got the call to please come assist.
A Mother's Love and We Push for Peace responded immediately.
Now more than ever. I think it's important to note that the partnership between the Minneapolis Police Department and our community partners really shows our commitment to wanting to do everything we can to resolve these situations peacefully.
Residents were evacuated. More than 20 officers sat in a hot hallway in full tactical gear for hours as family worked with negotiators and community partners to gain entry into the apartment. We're
keeping an eye on her through the window, trying to make conversation with her, which wasn't going particularly well. She comes to the window with a gun.
Officers pulled back and waited for the woman to calm down. It was a family member who helped gain her trust, allowing a Mother's Love We Push for Peace and officers to get inside and help her.
They talked her into unlocking the door, and once that door was unlocked, the police could go in and we could go in.
Don Esther Anderson says there was a struggle to get the woman under control. She bit several people before being sedated and taken to the hospital.
She clamped down on my hand and would not let go.
Minneapolis police, with the help of community partners, responded to more than 5,000 calls to help with mental health emergencies in 2019 and 2020. Today was the final day for the United Way Backpack Drive. We'll take a look after the break.